Ooh, good golly, that's a hole. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. First video of the year, so happy new year. Welcome 2024. A while ago we had a few boost issues on the Audi. Now, we fixed the problem we had in that video, but now the story seems to want to continue because we have a brand new problem. Yay, go me! So we're going to delve in a little bit deeper. We're going to work out what the problem is. We're going to fix it, and hopefully once and for all, this is it. It's the problem fixed. Wish me luck, guys. Please. So, stay tuned. Let's get some tools in, Roxy. Let's get it to a safe location, and let's crack on and get this thing fixed. Peace. Decided on this one. I didn't know what I needed. I wasn't going to be at home, so I just grabbed literally everything. Right then. So we need to talk about how this lot actually works. So air's going to come in the air filter. It's going to come up here, all the way down. It's going to go down into the turbo. It's going to spool up, get nice and hot, come down through the intercooler at the front, get it nice and cool, and it's going to come back around all the way back here, through the throttle body that you saw me fix not long ago, into the engine, and after a while, fire out the exhaust. Nice and easy, but first, here's the problem. The part we need to take off is all the way down there. To get that, we've got to take all of this off for one clip, just one. Let's have some fun. So engine cover comes off. There's only 2 clips to get off, so nice hose clamps. So where's one? Pop that off from the MAF sensor, and then there's the other one. Get that pipe out of the way. If it will come off, it's coming off. Come on, come on, come off! It doesn't want to apart from the car. There we go. We got it off. Yeah, got a little expansion thing. This is about this point where I found out I needed a T27 Torx bit to take a couple of bolts off holding the actual pipe onto the engine. But that's nice and easy, especially when you watch it from away. A bit of light. Can I get a good view? We're dealing with, there we go. So where's my screwdriver going? So what we're actually dealing with is this pipe here. You see this massive split just here. That's what we need to take off. So this is the part we need to replace, because obviously that's no good. We've got air coming straight out of the turbo, straight into this, and then going out to atmosphere. So that's no good. So we need to get that pipe replaced. But to get that off, and to finish off the job we're doing at the beginning, we need to undo this clip, take this pipe off so I can get to, where is it? Get to the clip all the way up here. What I need to get from the top. Cool, let me do that. So okay, that's the clip we need to get to get the part off the top. So all of that work so far is to get that one clip off. Go me! So as you can see, I've got the new pipe on, nice and solid. Cool, back up to the top again. It's at this point where I'm like, do I remember how this pipe work went back together? Luckily, it's pretty easy. But as you see, we got the pipe back on. I've just put the that T27 bolt back in, hook up the hose clamp on top of the back of the engine to do a little breather pipe, put the pipe work back on, plug the MAF sensor back in, and we are golden. Okay, let's see if she starts. Right then, guys, so I think we can say 100% that this time we have fixed it. As long as nothing else goes wrong. But as far as I'm concerned, we fixed it. I've just done the test drive and she has a good amount of boost. She pulls very hard, just like we want. And I've just reminded myself how quick this car actually is. So I'm happy to say we won't need a part 4. I hope. Now, this is the pipe we took off. You can see it, but just here is a pretty sizable chasm. It's a pretty big hole, and that's in a pretty vital place. So, which way does it go? It goes that way around. So, getting in the camera, there we go, you can see me. So, what happens, you got the turbo clicks onto this bit here. I know you didn't see it in the video, some of the footage wasn't that clear, and in the position I was in, couldn't really get the camera in there. It was quite difficult, but we got there. Turbo gases go, it comes out the turbo, goes in here, and normally it would come down into the intercooler system like we talked about earlier. Obviously with this one, it ain't going to do it. It went into the pipe, straight out the pipe, and went bye-bye, I'm out of here. So, thank God we fixed this. It wasn't too bad. It was a bit awkward. I had to buy some tools back here. Don't worry about it. Cool. So, I think we're good. This is a good place to end the video. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. We are out. It's, yeah, wow. Hello. I didn't like boost.